Part of the continuing success of the National Warplane Museum's air shows has been the result of a close collaboration with the Canadian warplane heritage. From the South, New Jersey to be exact, the participation of another flight organization adds still more thrills to this year's air show. Witness the flying skills of Captain Bill Dobbs, Chuck Kruger, and Dan DeMio, members of the Six of Diamonds Precision Aerobatic team.
The maneuvers that I perform in the solo routine are the same maneuvers that the aviation cadets are taught when they go through pilot training. It's the same maneuvers that basically you utilize in air combat, and it's just exciting. The formation flying is just as exciting when you're right in position, and the people I fly with are just super people, and we just enjoy each other's company, not only on the ground, but also in the airplane.
It's exhilarating. It's, I guess you could, it's something like skiing or perhaps riding a motorcycle, water skiing. It's an exhilarating sport.
He'll pull the nose of the aircraft up approximately 30 degrees to the horizon. And a nice slow roll to the left.
This is a comfortable airplane to fly. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of sport.
And Bill looping over the top of it.
The airplane is actually one of the most efficient airplanes in the world for converting gas into noise.
Now is that pretty or